Scott Hilton, Scott Talks. Today we're cleaning the lint trap out. A little quick, easy tutorial on something you may not know. I'm a former professional dry cleaner, and there might be a few tricks you can learn right now. I don't usually clean it out in the kitchen trash can, but for your demonstration, we're going to do that. Usually it's in the garage trash can because it's near the laundry room, and I can keep all that lint and dust. When I empty the dryer, you know, the lint from the vacuum cleaner and stuff, everything's out in the garage, all right? That's how you do it, guys. Don't get in trouble with your wives. Don't blame me. Now you'll see you got tons of lint. This is a fire hazard. Amazing. If you got a scout learning to start a fire, put a little lint, tell them to take a little piece of lint with them. Cheat a little bit. Just get that stuff on fire, a little spark on that, that'll start it up. But yeah, go camping, you bring lint. Start a fire. Basic survival skill. Look at all that lint. So, first thing you want to do to make it easy cleaning is grab some lint. The main source, your lint will help you grab more lint. Like that, that. See how it just grabs lint. Easy peasy way to clean. Get those little crevices and edges. And if you'd like to, you could rinse it out into the sink every once in a while just to really get it. Another good trick, wet your finger. Lint. You get it really kicks in. Getting a lot of lint here. A little on the back. Usually has a little pile there, and there's lint. The edges. Yeah, you can rinse it out, let it air dry. Just remember to put it back. You don't want lint getting inside your dryer all over the place. There's another fire hazard. That's why you clean them out occasionally. You put a vacuum down there and try to suck out some, or get down there with a tool, or go outside where it blows out and get some lint and try to suck it out. If you reach in there, they can be sharp. They don't smooth out the edges, okay? When you reach in, be careful. Make sure it's not on, and make sure no one's using it. So wait till everybody goes away, dads. You know, if you're going to go out there and clean your lint out and pull out lint, just gobs of lint, that's a fire hazard. You need to do that. Or change out the hose behind the dryer, and you could get rid of all that, and then reach in and pull it out, or push it out if it goes out in the yard. So this is nice cleaning, and this is a little life lesson on lint. See, we got a little lint. This is a nice new bag, so put some get the dust out. All right, like, share, and subscribe if you learned anything. Bye.